Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. So guys, today I will be reviewing this plant-based egg called Just Egg. I will be testing it out in a cheese omelette as well as scrambled. So for my ingredients, I have some chopped onion, and you can use any onion of your choice. And I'm cutting enough onion to go into the scrambled egg as well as the omelette. I have some chopped bell peppers that I froze, but you can also use some fresh bell peppers. I have 1 bottle of Just Egg, and it is plant-based and made of mung bean. According to the label, it is high in protein. Disclaimer, I am not a vegan, but I do try to eat clean. I also have some plant-based mozzarella cheese, which is soy-free and lactose-free. I have 4 chopped green onions. I have 2 slices of butter, and you can use any butter of your choice. I have some Himalayan salt. I'm melting a slice of butter on medium heat. My butter has melted, so I'm adding half of the green onions as well as the chopped onion. And I'm adding half of the chopped bell pepper. I'm giving it a quick stir, and I'm going to allow it to cook until the vegetables are translucent and soft. And you can use any bell pepper, whether it is the green, red, yellow. Now I'm adding 1 cup of Just Egg. Lightly sprinkle some Himalayan salt. So guys, you could tell the difference right away between Just Egg and a regular egg. Just Egg is more liquid, whereas a regular egg is much more thicker. So I'm cooking it in a very low heat. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried Just Egg. It smells so good in here with the mixtures of bell pepper and onions. Amazing. So first I'm going to try an omelette. I'm adding some of that mozzarella cheese on one side of my egg. And I'm using my spatula to bring over the other side of the egg to enclose that cheese so that it can melt. Let me know in the comments below if you use cheese in your eggs. I'm flipping it over on the side that has the cheese so that the cheese can melt a little quicker. Plant-based cheese usually does not melt as fast as regular cheese. And I also like a little golden color to my eggs, but let me know in the comments below how you like your eggs. So now I'm going to repeat the same process with the vegetables to make the scrambled eggs. And I'm also using 1 cup of just egg. Once my eggs start to bubble, I'm going to give it a quick stir. And I'm using my spatula to scramble it. So as you can see, the texture and the color is the same as using a regular egg to make scrambled eggs. So the big question is, does it taste like eggs? Yes or no? So this scrambled egg is pretty much done cooking, but my daughter likes her eggs to be slightly brown, so this is the reason why I'm cooking it a little extra longer. So this is my cheese omelet, and this is my scrambled egg with bell peppers and onions. So I made some fried plantain to go with my cheese omelet, and the scrambled egg was served with toast. It's crazy how this omelet looks exactly like an egg omelet. It looks good and it smells good. So now all we're missing is the taste test to see whether or not it tastes like eggs. So let's cut into this omelet and taste it. First thing I want to say, it's soft, not mushy, and also the inside is moist. And you can also see that the plant-based cheese has melted. So I would say the taste is very similar and close to a regular omelet with the bell peppers and onion. I would definitely try some other recipes with just egg. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.